Hi fellow enthusiasts, welcome to my channel. Let's go into today's video and we're gonna come back at the end to wrap it up. In this episode, we'll look at how to create a PCM audio we used in the last episode. So you need two softwares. One is Audacity, the second one is Encode Audio. Now let's just start. So once you install the Audacity and the Encode Audio, you can go ahead and start recording. You can leave everything as it is by default, or you can change the playback speed and all that. So let's just leave it as default and click on record. Welcome to PCM Audio. Alright, so I stop it here so you can see there are trailing silence and leading silence. So welcome to PCM Audio. The audio is pretty low, so I'm going to change something up. So first of all, I want to remove all the silence because this audio has to be very short. Maybe 2 seconds will be ideal. A little bit longer, fine. For Arduino Uno, if you're using Arduino Mega, you might be able to take in more recordings because the memory of the Uno is very low. Right, so let's just leave it this way. Play it back and see. Welcome to PCM Audio. Alright, so let's increase the sound. So we're gonna go on Effects, Amplify, and just increase the setting a little bit. And you can see right away it's increased. So let's play back and see. Welcome to PCM Audio. Fair enough. So we have to export this, but it has to be 8,000 hertz. And then we're gonna export this hyphen. We're gonna export this, export to wave, and it has to be 16-bit PCM. Alright, and then just save it as intro, as PCM intro, and then export. So it's exported. Now the next thing, we're gonna go to Encode Audio, click on that and select that PCM intro that we just created, which is this. Okay, you can give it a Arduino header, but I don't like to do that, so just click no, and I just give it a name, PCM intro. Okay, and then how long do you want it to play back? So let's check how long the audio is. First of all, PCM intro. So we're gonna make it 2 seconds. Based on our recording, it's around 2 seconds. So let's just get everything, make it 2 seconds, the number of seconds you want to encode, and then okay. Then it will copy that code to your clipboard. Click on OK, and you have it right there. Now you can verify what you have by just pasting it somewhere, and you have the PCM encoded audio here. So whatever we say has been translated to this PCM code. Now we're just gonna go to our Arduino, and in this example here, we're gonna replace whatever was here and put our new code. So that's how you generate the PCM code, right? We're gonna upload it to the board. And our board is still set up right here. The other wires connected here are just for the NFC tag because we're gonna use it in another episode. So we're gonna leave it the way it is, replacing only pin 11 right now, and then the other connections are to the ground and to positive. So we're done uploading, and let's turn on the speaker. Welcome to PCM Audio. Right. So welcome to PCM Audio. That's it. So what we can do now is we can loop it like we did previously, so you can play repeatedly, or you can just create another function here, void playback, and we can just say cut this code and put it right there, and here we can say serial dot begin 9600, and then in the loop here we're gonna call playback. Alright, and then we have a delay of 5 seconds, 5,000 milliseconds, so that's 5 seconds, and this should play back every 5 seconds. Now this function we're creating now is because we're going to use it later in the next episode to show how to perform other functions. We can read, right, so we can read a tag and then play back something from the tag, and so on and so forth. So right, and we can add other things. So if you go to the serial monitor,
welcome to PCM audio. Welcome to PCM audio.
Really nothing happens on the serial monitor because we haven't printed anything to the serial monitor. So let's print something here, serial
Welcome to PCM
that prints, then we're going to say
Welcome to PCM
audio playback in progress.
Welcome to PCM audio.
And when we flash this to
Welcome to PCM audio.
the board, we should be able to see this in our serial monitor.
Welcome to PCM audio.
All right.
Welcome to PCM.
You can add other functions in this, and you can add some conditions that when the conditions are met, you have the audio playback. All right. Thanks for sticking around to the end. That will be it from us today. Please, if you have not subscribed, do so right now, and don't forget to like and share this video. Until we come your way again with more contents, stay enthused.